News from Maharashtra now, where Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has dared the opposition to move a no-confidence motion against his government. Fadnavis has dismissed allegations of foul play by opposition Shiv Sena and the Congress, saying all rules and procedures were adhered to in the passage of the trust vote in the Assembly. He said the Congress and the Shiv Sena did not ask for a poll at the appropriate time. The trust vote was mired in controversy, with the opposition accusing the ruling party of failing to prove its majority and strangulating democracy. Fadnavis challenged the opposition, saying his government will win the no-confidence motion. He also said if the demand for division of votes was brought at the right time, the government would have accepted it.
अगर किसी को ये लगता है कि हमारे पास बहुमत नहीं है, तो वो हमारे ऊपर अविश्वास प्रस्ताव लाए। निश्चित रूप से ऐसे अविश्वास प्रस्ताव को हम फेस करेंगे और अपना बहुमत पूरे तरीके से वहां पर रखेंगे। गवर्नर साहब के साथ बदतमीजी कांग्रेस के सदस्यों ने की, ये आज का दिन महाराष्ट्र के विधिमंडल के इतिहास में काले अक्षरों से लिखा जाए ऐसा दिन है, और इसीलिए उनमें से कुछ सदस्यों के ऊपर कार्रवाई हुई है और इसलिए सभागृह के सभी नेताओं ने मिलकर यह निर्णय किया है और इसमें और कौन लोग हैं इसकी भी छानबीन जारी है।
Let's get a word from our correspondent Virendra Singh Gunawat, who's with us live from Mumbai this morning. Virendra, an inquiry has been ordered, an all-party panel to examine CCTV footage to see who was involved in that scuffle.
Exactly. In fact, yesterday only 5 legislators had been suspended, but we are expecting that the numbers might increase, and the sources saying it might go up to 11. This time it was only the Congress MLAs were being suspended, but even the Shiv Sena made a chaos, and in fact the Shiv Sena leaders were on the main gate on the car themselves, on the governor's car. They literally stopped the governor to enter the Vidhan Bhavan. So definitely the investigation has begun, and the person who is in charge of the investigation is the speaker himself of the Vidhan Bhavan. So now this matter is becoming very crucial. But let me also tell you one more thing. This is just one part of the entire story, that the investigation has begun against the MLAs who stopped the governor to enter inside the Vidhan Bhavan. But on the other hand, the sources are saying, even on the Samna's editorial today, where the Shiv Sena is very angry with the BJP. In fact, it said that they have no rights to talk about clean government in the Maharashtra the way they have shown their confidence motion yesterday. In fact, the third part that is coming right now is that in the coming days, BJP might convince Shiv Sena to be the part of the state government, and the process might begin very soon on that. So yes, the investigation has begun on one hand. The talk process might begin on another hand after a few days. Back to you.
Virendra, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more developments. Talking tough on the suspension of 5 Congress MLAs, the Maharashtra Chief Minister has said that more MLAs could be suspended if their role in heckling is proved in the inquiry. An all-party panel has been set up to examine a video footage that reportedly shows that 12 other MLAs were also involved in the incident. 5 Congress MLAs have been suspended for 2 years for manhandling and heckling the governor.